speaking that venom. That baby not real, it's not him.
I'm starting this video at the same place that I started the last video. We've got another little road trip, as you probably know from the title. We've got our first track day. It is currently 3:26 a.m. and a whopping amount of people out right now. I'm just topping off the tank real quick because I want to not have to buy fuel as much as I can. I'm up so early right now because I want to get to Thunder Hill as early as possible because it's going to be hot as hell today. I feel like I have the whole world to myself right now. It's been 10 seconds of filling up and it's already full. I'm telling you, I was topping off. But I'm gonna go grab the best breakfast possible at this time, McDonald's, and then we are on the way. I've never been up so early to the point where a McDonald's is closed. My old reliable McDonald's is actually closed. And usually when I'm up this early, like usually 5 or 6 a.m. though, this is where I go. And for once I'm actually up too early. So I think I'm gonna have to thug it out. I'm gonna have no fuel in my tank. At least the car is full of gas. So I guess I'm just gonna have to find something along the way there, I guess. That was unfortunate. Okay, so we are at the first stop already. I don't know what city I'm in, but I found a gas station. And I honestly don't even need gas, but I'm doing anything possible to not fill up at the track. Oh my god, premium is $4.60 here. In California, that is a steal. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I pulled over because I had to pee. What can I say? I'm just bawling like that. I'm at another rest stop because I'm taking another piss. Only 8 minutes away now, but I kind of wanted to use the bathroom again. So I'm actually the first one at the truck right now. This is kind of awkward. Not a single person is here. This is interesting, but look at this view though. This is already telling me it's gonna be a good day. So we just finished the driver meeting. I'm obviously not gonna bring my camera in that. Parade laps are about to begin. And if I haven't said it already, I'm running Thunder Hill East backwards. And apparently the backwards orientation is not common at all. And I believe the guy said this might be the last time it's ever ran by an organization. So it's actually gonna be like a free-for-all out there. But I'm excited, man. It is only 8 a.m. right now. But yeah, man, let's get it. So the first 3 sessions, first 2 sessions have been concluded and I'm done with having an instructor. But it's time for me to drive by myself, meaning no instructor, just free game. I'm in a Miata, so I'm gonna be like baby food for everyone. All right, let's lock in. Oh my god, that was so exhausting. I'm only a novice, dude. I'm not gonna lie though, that was hella fun though. I don't even know if you could hear what I'm saying right now. Alright, so that session felt pretty good. But one thing that I learned that I do a lot is oversteer. It's on those tight turns. Oh my god, my ND filter's cracked. You see that glare right there? It's cracked. I didn't get point by it really at all, even though I was like intensely hinting at it at the person in front of me. We got 2 more sessions, so I'm gonna try to fix some things up. I can't perfect my game in one day though, but I'm really glad that I did this so that I do know what to work on. And now I know that there's a lot more things that could possibly happen to me. So I just finished my 4th session. I had a really good camera angle the whole time, and actually some crazy stuff happened during that session too. But then I guess my camera overheated or died or both. and the whole video is gone. So that really sucks. That was probably my favorite session too. Somehow I missed the checkered flag. So I got my first black flag today because I did a whole extra lap. It was really embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie. Because when I got back, I saw the whole intermediate line waiting. But Thunder Hill Day is almost over. It's been a lot of fun and a lot of learning, and I'm honestly looking forward to doing this again.
That's how you capture the next picture.
Well, track day's over. Kinda all too tired to do our 5th session, and honestly, I am too. I was only gonna do it if everyone else did it, but we're all just mentally gassed, and I'm kind of tired from being forced into my door for 4 sessions. But no doubt, this was one of the most fun things I've ever done with this car. This beat the feeling of every mountain run I've done. If you're considering going to a track day, whether you're inexperienced or you just don't know what your car can do, just do it. This was so fun. And obviously I have so much to work on, but I wouldn't have known that if I did not go to this. Although I wasn't the best one on the track, I think today was a super successful day. Thank you to this thing for getting me through the day. The ND gave me the time of my life. It did a lot better than I thought it would. And the priority after this is brakes. BBC coming soon. Wait, no, BBK, oh my God, big brake kit. I don't know if you could see it, but my headers are just so blue and purple now. You know, is it bad if I actually really like that color? I'm proud of you. My lip is somehow in one piece still. This is getting repainted 100%. I think I gained so many more chip marks, have some victims, but there's our trophy. Okay, the best part of this whole track day. This Dutch Bros is 20 minutes out of the way from my way home. I drove 20 minutes further for Dutch Bros. I'm like low-key reconsidering my decisions right now, but I'm already here, so I have to get it. All right, let's satisfy this craving. It's like 100 degrees right now. I don't know if you could see the gas prices right now. $4.60 for premium. This is gonna be my 3rd gas up today, but I've just been milking all the cheap gas places because I'm just that far away from home. But I also got my Golden Eagle. This is going to keep me sane on this drive home. It's currently looking at 168 miles to get home, about 3 hours. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. Just so we're back outside. It's a beautiful day today, and we're actually meeting up with the homies, Vaughn, Ronnie, Tian. But it's a beautiful day today, and I'm in a good mood from yesterday. So we have the top down for once. Considering that this is my daily, a Miata, I never put the top down. Okay, we're at a car wash now. We all have filthy vehicles. This is the car equivalent of cuddling. Tian's gonna get a wash too. Vaughn isn't gonna get a wash. I think those wheels deserve some nice wash though. So boify. Pro tip, wash a car with someone who does this way too often. So his wheels are actually orange, you guys didn't know. He has a hydrogen tank in here. Do it again. I'm feeding him 3 nachos and a massage. I'm in the T-Dragon car right now. He has a Pepsi. Ronnie got us right. This car hasn't gotten a proper wash in a fat minute. Scanning the new wheels, it just has not gotten washed, period. Yeah, it's still got water spots on it, but the blow dryer in this isn't the most powerful. I'm very happy now. Thanks, Ronnie. Okay, it's rollout time. We're gonna head to a shoot spot now. All right, so it's photo shoot time. We're doing individual car shots right now. We're at this private location that we have rented out. First, we're shooting Tian's car. Vaughn's flicking up today.
Just like reverse the hub and then
Okay, it's photo time for me. So we're in this little circle right here. It looks a lot like the last one, but trust me, it's a whole different building. I don't know how I feel about having the tow hook on. I left it on because I forgot it was on. I'm not really a big fan of how tow hooks look. If you guys didn't know, you're supposed to put one on if you're tracking. Ooh, the sun looks kind of nice. Man, I really love this angle of the car. He's cooking right now. He's got the ninja legs. Time to grab some food. We're all starving. Like, we are all starved. So we're gonna head to Society. Same place I went to in my first video, if you guys saw that. And yeah, we're gonna have some good eats. Take over. I'm just kidding. We just took over the society parking lot, is what I meant. Tian, me, Chris, come on. Briefly. Just blurred.
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm trying to find you the page.
Oh. But y'all can't see that yet. All right, let's grub.